There we go. It's time for the Triumph's first service. We've done 15 hours on this bad boy, and it's time for a decent service. And Triumph's made it so easy for you to get everything that you need for the Triumph online or in store. So if you want to do it all online, you can browse to triumphmotorcycles.co.za and just follow along right here. First thing that you do, click on shop, and then click on shop accessories. Try not to get distracted by all their Black November sale that they have going on. They've got some really cool stuff discounted all across the board. But the thing we're looking for is the Enduro parts and accessories. If you see under Enduro parts and accessories, you see all the parts and accessories they have from there. Chains, air filters, any part on this bike is all available online. But what we're looking for is the service kit. So you click on service, you'll find the TF Motul oil change kit. There you'll have some 7100 10W50 and the oil filter. Click add to cart. Now any essential on an oil change is the Motul Moto Clean, and it's also available on the Triumph site. You click there, you add that from there. That will then help you get all the old oil out of the system, be able to get anything else, all the used oil completely out, and make sure that you get value the new fresh Motul that you're adding in there. Then if you go on, you'll click on back on service. You'll see any and all Motul products are also available on there. So if you need some chain clean, air filter oil, air filter clean, everything is also available. You can add it to your cart, make it quick and simple. If you click back on Triumph service parts, you'll see a full array of all the parts that you want there. If you want levers, any accessories, you can add it all from the Triumph website. You can browse through it all, everything that you need. And now when you're ready to check out, you click on the little cart up top, you click checkout, and put in all your details like usually with any online shipping, and Bob's your uncle. Triumph receives the order, you make the payment, and the parts show up at your door. And just like that, the parts arrive at your door. It got shipped straight to my office, and yeah, let's get through it. Open from there, proper unboxing. Like I said, Motul 7100 10W50, we've got two of them. The essential, the Moto engine clean to help get everything out of this bike. Make sure that you get the full benefit of your Motul 7100 when you add in there. And then, like I said, the oil filter, the essential to put a new oil filter in there. Cool, so let's get changing.